Hey, I'm Shauna Faye, and today I'm going to show you my new favorite brush for painting one-stroke leaves. I'm also going to show you a quick flower fairy tutorial using this brush at the end of this video. So this is the 1/4 or 1/4 inch dagger brush from Blazin brush. And I've had this brush for a while, but I wasn't sure what to use it for. And when I tried it with one-stroke leaves, I was pleasantly surprised with the result. Okay, check this out. I'm gonna load this with my favorite green one-stroke. This one is Tink from Fusion Body Art, and I'm just gonna place it on my skin right on the sharp edge of the brush, and I'm just gonna manipulate just those top bristles to go to the right and to the left to make this perfect little leaf. I'm also gonna make some kind of longer wispy leaves, and this brush can also be used to make slightly bigger leaves. And the tip of this brush is really nice and pointy, and it's really good for making wispy lines. You can also fill in the lines of a leaf using this brush. One other thing I really like about it is that it makes good butterfly wings as well. So just by doing like the motion you would for an angled brush, you can get a nice butterfly wing. I also heard that dagger brushes are great for making tiger stripes, and so I wanted to try that for you guys, and I thought it worked great, and it was a very easy way to make tiger stripes, so I do recommend that. So this brush retails for $10 here in the US, and I know it's sold in many different face paint shops online around the world. And if you'd like to get a discount on it, you can use my code FAY, all lowercase letters, at facepaintforumshop.com to get a 10% off discount. So now I'm going to show you guys how I like to use this brush on the job. Here's a super quick and super cute flower fairy tutorial. I'm loading up a petal sponge with Pretty Rainbow by Fusion Body Art, and I'm just basing out a butterfly wing right here. If you want to see more in depth how I do that, I will link another video. I'll also link all the products that I used, and you can find all that information in the description down below. I'm using the warm side of this sponge to give myself just a little bit of blush here. And I got the back of the sponge a little bit damp, and I'm just using that to kind of diffuse that color out. And giving myself way too much glitter as usual, cleaning that up with the sponge. I'm using a flat petal brush to give myself a big flower here in the center and a few petals surrounding that. And here I am trying to fix those petals, and it didn't work, but I'll show you in just a moment how to fix it. Then I'm doing some more petals by the eyes here. And I just reloaded the brush and went right over those petals and cleaned up really nice. And here's the star of the show, this awesome dagger brush. And the thing that I like about it more than angled brushes is it doesn't have a very wide base. So you're really able to work with just the tip of the brush to make really tiny leaves just like this. And so I'm going to add some leaves around those flowers, and I'm just going to add a little wispy line there. And then I'm going to use that same brush. I just reloaded it, and I'm going right in and making some butterfly wings. And I do this design all the time on the job, and not having to switch a brush here saves me a lot of time. I'm adding some wispy lines kind of coming out of the flowers here to almost mimic some antennas for this fairy design. And this is usually where I stop if I have a long line on the job, but we're not done yet. I'm going to show you a few techniques you can do to make it a little more special. I'm just using a fluffy makeup brush, and I got it a little bit damp and removed any excess moisture on the back of my wrist, and I'm just blending out the inner corners with that. Then I loaded up a round brush with white, and I'm just adding a ton of dots to this design in the center of the flowers and up those antennas and surrounding the flowers, just to kind of add a little bit of flow to the design and add some smaller elements. And while I have that brush loaded with white, I figured I would just do a little outline around the butterfly wings. And my camera cut out here, but I put some glitter freckles using this fairy glitter stick. And we're all done. This is a super fast and super popular design on the job. All right, that's it for this video. I hope that you guys liked it. Let me know what you think about this brush in the comments down below. If you enjoy my videos, then feel free to leave a like. It helps me know that I'm doing a good job. If you want to see more from me, then feel free to subscribe to my channel. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.